Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. Right now, especially today, the one device that came at my shops to unlock or bypass the permanently, and this is lock to owner for your kind of information. So if you are having these kind of the problems, then of course, without any hassle at your home, of course, you can terminate permanently these activation lock links. But don't worry, this is institution purpose in a case when your device is in a stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, time screen passcode, or mobile device management locked, or a screen passcode, face ID, touch ID. This kind of the problem, if you are having, then of course, go with the similar strategy and you can completely get rid of it by a similar strategy. So first and foremost, you will have to open our iTunes. Let's disconnect and we will connect to this one. So see here what will happens. It will assess the firstly data in a Apple database configuration or cloud database configuration. And after assessing the data, what's the messages are coming? It's saying the completely that this device was lost, erased, enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID behind of it. So now, first and foremost, second step that we will have to go for, run as administration. That is especially 3U tool, and we will come to especially crash analysis. We will go in the inside and we will delete these all files. This is a very essential to delete this thing. So now this, yeah, see, it has been deleted now. Now what we will do here, second step that we will have to go for here in a smart flash options and the phone. See, it is a lock to owner, so that we can check it out here. We are see here unable to execute this. I would like to show you how see in the black screens. Now see, we are unable to execute these things. So permanently how do I? Of course, this is one step I have already completed. Second step that here latest beta version we will follow. That's 18.5, 18.54 beta that I had elected. So here see this beta version that is a 12 here 18.5 some things 42G. This is especially now we will go for here. This message is coming again and again here. Just we will have to go for import or directly we can download this firmware. Right now we cannot download because the total size is approximately more than 8 GB. So here just we will import because this one I have already downloaded from ipsw.beta.com. So here I kept in desktop here this beta version 18.5, this one. So just we will especially import by clicking here and upon yes we will come on a desktop 2 of course we will import it. So let it verify firstly. Now it's having here 18.5 beta. So let me check it out. We will back and second step firstly these things, and third one I would like to show you here later. Let it verify firstly. Now almost 99% it's having the error here guys. So we will have to match these beta versions of this. So let me check it out here. What's the beta version it is? It is a 18.568A. 68A, where it is 68A, that's a 18.5 beta 68. So these things once again we will import and we will check it out. I think it is a similar one 18.5s. See here 68, this ones we will have to wait and check it out here. Now see successfully it has been imported. So this firmware I have imported. Just we will come in here and upon of course we will backs. Third step that we will have to execute, go for an agile administration, that is imaging PC, and of course let's open it. Don't insert the SIM card guys here. There should be no SIM card inside. So now here if additional especially coming especially device, then yeah just let me back here by clicking. So just we will go for here It's a 12, but in this device is a SE, so just we will go for forgot. Because in a day the multiple device I have the unlocking, so that's why especially now these things firstly let it forgot, then the phone of cruise. Once again we will disconnect and connect. So from here just I would like to show you, just we will come in here and we can check it out. We will back. So now this device has been connected once again here, see SE. Now we will come in the show device a console, and of course we will try to clear all the history. Whatever the retaining data or redundant files, especially inside of this device, because of that, there is no good clearance and good configuration in a Apple data or cloud database server. That's why happening this. So just I'm trying to, I had already cleared by a crash analysis. Second, whatever the retaining or remaining that I'm clearing, at least 20 times we have to clear these things. So we can check it out. This is log to owners, but similar strategy can be executed in. Now I had already downloaded that firmware, so I think more than 20 times now I have completed. So on the other hand, we will come in a toolbox. In toolbox, see guys here, just we will come in a REC mode. In REC mode, here this ones we will come in here. See, almost clear white screen is coming, so that we can close these ones. This also we will close. iTunes also I will close. So now it is in a DFU files. We will close it because much more application if they are the working in a one time, so then of course it will make slow of the PC. Now we will come the inside of this and it has been imported. We will select, don't select the retain user, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fixed plus. These all are for another situation. Now we will go for this ones, and yeah, I had elected these ones files. Now we will go for, now we will go for here flash, and now see here, now it has started to execute these things. And now the further we will see the any kinds of the special issues will come, so then of course we will fix it. And one two three things that is very important, so that we will have to precaution. The first thing is that during the flashing device or process, we don't have to disconnect or don't unplug the device, otherwise it will stuck on a recovery or DFU or on an Apple logo. On Apple logo, when it is going to a stuck, so then of course we will have to manually, we will have to put a manually this device from normal Apple logo to especially DFU mode. So be alert for that. How do you, just we will go for firstly turn off and keep holding this especially home button till it's not going a DFU mode. So manually we will have to execute. So see here, if any kind of the error will come, so then of course we will address it. Second thing, so that you will have to especially use always original data cable, otherwise of course maybe in a midst of it, if it disconnects, then you will have the problem. It will stuck on a once again on Apple logo. That's why I'm saying. Now third thing, so that when we will have the any kind of this basically internet connection problem, then this 3U tool will give you error. So if the 3U tool is giving errors, and then that condition of course you will have the problem. Once again it will stuck on Apple logo. So these kind of the things, so that we will have to especially be ready for to error dash. Now two three crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial that I would like to show you. One thing is that firstly we will have to find out the sales model area of many iPhones. That suppose this phone was purchased in Hong Kong, so then of course we will have to go for customize the precise location of the Hong Kong on your PC or laptop, so that there will be no navigation problem to have the good configuration in a cloud database server. So that's why guys, now it's on a 60%, but look on the physical body, especially it's more than 60%. So scarcely further we will take 5 to 10 minutes, and this tutorial will be without touching on this device guys. Everything will be erased, and of course manually we will not touch, just via iTunes especially we will transfer the new Apple ID and the password on it, and everything will be. In a case of the SIM card is invalid and network carrier lock is accounts, that also we will fix by especially coming on the once again genuine location of this device. So how would I? Everything we will mention in this tutorial. Just you will have to watch the tail end of this tutorial, and in cancel the confusion and inquiry further and questions, and then of course gladly you can drop in the comments in the comments box. Pleasure reminds to the reply in the course of time. Now You'll have to wait here. And of course, uh, I count on, especially from all of my viewers, and that is with how they like this. Of course, leave the feedback so that the comments box. Now it is on a 60%, but it is coming. They're requesting the end data, so of course it will directly maybe assumes from say, 60 to 90 or 80 or 100. Last two, three crucial steps that we'll have to. And this firmware can be downloaded from the various website. One is apple.com, second is ipsw.com, and ipsw.beta.com, and fourth one is especially that itself www.3u.com. Anyone says especially from the website you can download, but be assured that of course try to or attempt to especially download the firmware beta. This will be especially good for erase or on the erasing or the wiping out, especially or terminating the all kind of the retaining data, whatever the inside in this device or inside on the device. Now we are on a 70%, guys, but almost look on the physical body of the device. Don't look on here, just look at here. That's more than 70% it has been completed. So I think it will directly jump. And then these all are the requirement I have already mentioned to you that the first tool is especially iTunes itself, and the second is the especially 3U tool, and the third one the Imaging PC, and the fourth one is as a requirement we need a firmware. And sixth one, of course, you should have the internet speed quite good. And second, internet connection also maybe especially requires that when Apple database server in there, the configuration is not coming good on a particular that internet connections, and then use a virtual private network, or you can change the internet connection so that in a cloud database server there will no chances to have not good configurations. So now still I'm waiting here. See here what will happen if any error comes, and then of course we will proceed further by addressing this kind of issues also along with. So now I'm waiting for it. I don't know visuality how it is, but let's see. And I'm not going to that things in this visual, yes, and directly of course it would be uploaded on this channel the particular. Still it is now it has started to write the metadata, so it means sure. See, one thing also confirm it that when it will cross the 30%, then most probably that in an Apple database server it will or it has accepted. That's there is no link. And similar status, this can be executed when it has been locked with a screen passcode, time passcode, blacklist install mode, lost mode, and locked to owners, or link to an Apple ID and asking into the Apple ID in the password. That's where I used to set up this device. Now see, this has been directly from 72. It has the congratulated and the clean the plans has been completed now. So what we will do here, just we will click on OK and we'll come in especially toolbox. Let's have to wait a batch activation this device. Now here, this is way that easily we can skip all the initial setting of the region, language, the Wi-Fi, location, everything, and see here. Firstly, let it start. It's rebooting, guys, and thereupon when it will be highlighted, then within the 20 seconds we will have to execute these things. It has to highlight it. Just it's taking your times. We'll have to wait here. And thereupon, of course, we have a 2-3 more crucial step that we will have to execute. Now see, this is notifying so that it has been restarted, and see here it's now installing. It has been highlighted, so within 20 seconds we will have to go for here under activation of this thing. So let's see here, we will have to wait here. Any kind of error will comes immediately. We will have to change the internet connection to have the good configuration in the cloud data or Apple database server. However, it's not working or it's giving the error. In that condition, of course, we will use the virtual private. Now see, green sign has been given so that it has been succeed. Now don't click on here, guys. Firstly here, once again we will go for here, click OK, then of course once again attempt here. Now we will select the all and we will go for here. So now see, it's saying no one, not required. Then of course it will be here. once again we will go for here, we will select the only one, and of course we will go for here this ones. Now it's a saying that activation, no need to activate of these things because it has been done successfully. Now just we have option that is a here there's things that it's a things that are not required. So the particular this is a old model that it, that's why it's a things that not required. But however, let me confirm both and we will go for here this ones. Now it has taken, guys, see here. So this kind of there sometimes it's a totally game of the cloud database server, whatever the retaining data inside of this that's why it's peacefully. But of course if you are able to execute or change the good configuration to provide a especially good configuration, deliver the good configuration, either it is in Apple database or cloud database, it will be. Now see, it will be skipped successfully. Fine. Now we have to do nothing. Just we will have to give the good configuration, sorry, by not this tool, by this iTunes, guys. So let me close this. Let me close this and let me close this. Let's come to access the data in Apple database server or cloud database server by using this. Now we will go for here. Let's see, we will select the language. Now see, it's saying the welcome to new one means there is no links. Fine. Now what we will do here, if we are unable to, we will go in the inside of there, we will go in setting to, of course we will go for create, and let's see here what will happen, guys. Now it's assessing the data, we will select the country and see what will happen here. Now we have the golden opportunity and the strong opportunity to the creation of a password, and we can confirm the term and condition here by selecting the country and the region, and thereupon we will go for continue. If we had to continue, what will happen? This side will be directly transformed here. And now see here is nothing, just a partial step or anyone's anything's now gone, everything. See, there is nothing. No initial step is required. Everything has gone. If we see here, SIM card is not there. If I tap on it here, guys, it will ask you also that connect to the internet too. The sign into your phone means there is no internet connection. However, this phone is completely unlocked. What's the magic that happens? Because it's a totally game of the iCloud database server. Now, third one, see here one thing also. We can go in the inside of there. Here, see, we will come in especially security and passcode. We will check it out that and things enable. No, let me back and we will tap on a touch and passcode. See, everything is a disables. I would like to clear by tapping. So let's see here, everything is a clear. Fine. So that's why I'm saying to you guys here. This is all about in this video tutorial, but one thing more, extra special information that I would like to mention. In case now there is no SIM card, you will insert the SIM card is invalid, SIM card is not a callings, then what we'll do here, just simply we will cut it from here everything. So now we will come on especially iTunes. We have a virtual location. The artificial location was actually added there either by the changing internet connection or the virtual private networks or by and getting the information about the sales area of our system model. Now we will go for true location. So it will ask to the reboot, and now see finally we will come on a genuine location of this device and SIM card everything will be fully functional. So this is all about in this video tutorial. The furthermore inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comments. But pleasure would be mine to reply to the query, guys, in the course of time. And how to like this tutorial? Of course, your the feedback is the very essential for me to make further, especially this kind of the tutorial, and anyone who is highly increased to have this kind of information by free of course on a YouTube channel, they can access easily from this channel. So guys, now see directly the camera on the home screen, and if I tap here, now see. So with the help of jailbreaks, it's going to once again tap in on the iCloud activation, but there is no finally completely unlocked, so guys. So this is all about, and any query confusion, drop the comment in the comments box. The pleasure would be mine. So thank you very much indeed. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.